People's true character often lies in repetition. Their daily habits, a ritualistic display of self-preservation. A cycle of tasks and distractions obscuring the truth. Their priorities are not what they claim to be. Efficiency is paramount over emotional connection. The mundane masks their deeper desires. They prioritize comfort above all else. This routine is a reflection of their values. Their actions betray their stated intentions always. It's in these patterns we find true character. Rituals reveal more about us than words ever could. Our daily routines are a reflection of our souls. In the monotony, we find the truth.